Hey guys, how's it hanging? My name is Harrison. If you haven't met me before, I'm a female-to-male transgender. I am proud to say that I will be doing a collab with the Rodeo Collective underpants line as well as the Mr. Limpy packing prosthetics. So today I'll be reviewing the Rodeo Jock strap and pairing them with the Mr. Limpy packers, a size extra small, small, and medium in the shade vanilla, because you know, I'm vanilla. Personally, I really enjoy this specific product. This product has helped me with my confidence and comfort level while playing sports, being active, and stuff like that. It is a definite plus that the Jock holds everything in place, so you don't have to worry about anything slipping out or anything falling out. Alright y'all, so this here is the Rodeo Jock strap. So what I've decided to do is that I'll demonstrate how to put a Mr. Limpy packer inside of the Jock strap on myself. But since this jock strap is quite revealing, and there's no better way to do it, I will just put on another pair of rodeo underpants underneath to save us the trouble. Alright guys, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. If you are interested in any of the products that I displayed in this video, the link will be in my bio. I will see you next time in the next video. Peace, love, happiness, spread awareness, and bye!